Hello everybody, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and so I'm just going to show you a little something. A lot of people like to trade NFP, and so what I'm going to do is show you how our system performed during NFP today. And the first thing I want to show you, just so you see proof, today is, as you can see right here, February 5th, 2021. So you can check your own charts just to verify this information. But you'll clearly see that it performed very well, very well. And I'm actually going to teach you a little something, so watch what I do. If you hit Control Y, it'll bring up what's called your day separators. And actually, you'll be able to see the price action for each individual day. And if you'll notice, today is the price action for today, which is February 5th, 2021, which means Friday, NFP. However, you'll notice that the system gave you heads up the day before to let you know that it was going to perform in that direction. So on this particular trade, and I'll keep this real short, you'll be able to see how many pips you could have had. 97 pips. Let's go to another popular pair that people like to trade, Euro USD. And as you can see, price action came in right here. On the day of NFP, it did pull back and then shot up, so you would have won that trade. And all of this is just in a day off of NFP. So again, I'm not promoting trading on news events, but there you go, 74 pips off of that one. Let's go to the USD pairs that people like to trade. And here goes another one here that you could have had. It pulled back a bit, but then dropped. And that's 36 more pips right there. And let's take a look at one more. You get the gist of it. I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but you'll see it here. Here goes another, okay? Right here to here, that would have netted you about 53 pips. Right here, this one is unique, and that's why I want to bring this one up. And I'll remove the day separators, hit Control Y again. Again, hit Control Y to put them on, Control Y to take them off, okay? But you'll notice on this particular pair, why did it spike right here? And that's because on Fridays, you have CAD news. Okay, CAD news, oil news, oil inventory news. So when you're trading the CAD pair, you got to be very careful on Fridays because it will spike depending on what news events come out. That's the reason why you see a lot of spiking on the CAD pairs on Fridays, okay? Any CAD pair you're trading, sometimes you get a spike, and that's because of that situation. So this one had a double whopper because it had the USD NFP news, but then it had all inventory news right afterwards. But either way it goes, did this perform correctly? Absolutely. So that's plenty of pips you could have had. So again, you can struggle in trading, or you can come and get a system that really works and also get your mentorship, because I do teach classes twice a week, no extra cost. It's just something I love to do to help you guys, and you'll be able to actually talk to me and I'll be able to talk to you. Answer questions, look at charts together, we do all that every single week. So come and get it. I'll be happy to coach you. And like I said, you could have made plenty of pips in just one day of trading. One day. And took off for the rest of the week. How about that? Enjoy your weekend, everyone.